All right, we've got mysterious element X, got a half-life of 1 day, and we've got a starting mass of this stuff of 800 grams. All right? Ready? All right. So let's make a kind of chart here, and let's say we have we'll call this HL for half-lives, okay? And we're going to begin with a 0 half-life. So the very beginning we have no half-lives at all. Got it? Okay. But we're also going to chart the time here. Okay. So at the beginning we're on 0 day. That makes sense?
Gotcha.
All right. And at this beginning time we have an amount of 800.0 grams. All right? Everybody with me so far?
Okay, gotcha. So times 0 day, that's where we start?
Half-life, time, amount. Okay? All right. So then when we reach that first half-life, I'm going to call that 1 because that's the first half-life. I could put first, I suppose. All right? That would be, this is our half-life is 1 day. Then that's 1 day, right? That makes sense? At 1 day, 24 hours later, there must be half of this left. That's 400 grams, right? All right. Second day, second half-life. In this case, our half-lives and our days are the same. So this is day 2. 2 days. Half of this is left. We don't get rid of the whole remainder. We get rid of half of this. Okay, so that's 200.0 grams. Okay? You see what's happening? All right? So I want you to predict the third day now. Just predict the third day. Predict the third day. This is what you have? All right. Find somebody who's willing to work with you and finish predicting through this process until you reach day 7, because you want to find out what's going to happen, how much is going to be left after 7 days. Got it? Find somebody who's willing to work with you and together finish solving this problem. Now, some of you have to leave to go to RD. What you need to know is I'm going to assign a homework in a minute. All right? So you have to get caught up with the homework. Got it?
Yes, sir. Was it a sheet?
No, it's just one of these.
I got you. All right.
Okay, listen up. Listen up. You got to consider significant digits. If you're dividing by 2, 2 is not considered one of the numbers you use for significant digits. You got to, at each step, have 4 significant digits. Okay? All right, so the only half-life that you must know from memory. Listen, please. The only half-life you have to know from memory is that of carbon-14. You have to know, memorize. Carbon-14's half-life is 5,730 years. So we're going to use that as our homework practice. The half-life is 5,730 years. We're going to start with 12 grams. How much is left after 34,380 years? Okay?
2 centimeters. You like good country food.
Well, I'm from Missouri, so you have to show me your work. You can't just give me a number. You have to show me your work. Everybody clear?
You forgot to put.
No, I asked him that the other day and he said.
Oh, you're right. I did. After.
Facebook.